Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn match cases. Switch are match cases. In Python, we don't have switch cases like in other language. Instead, Python introduced a new feature called match cases. In version 3.10, match cases work similar to switch cases but are easier to use and understand. They let us check the value of a variable and run different block of code based on what the value is. Before we talk about match cases, you need to know what is your currently Python version is. To check the Python version, you can see in a left hand side a menu bar. Click for the terminal and type Python space minus minus version like this, then click and you will get your Python version. Here my Python version is 3.1 3.12.3 and check your version too, and if your version is below 3.10 and you need to update your Python version because the match cases are work above the 3.10 version, and you need to where you can upgrade your Python version. You can go your browser and search for python.org and click for the download, and you can see your Python current version is 3.12.3 and click for it. You will get your current Python version in virtual environment. Then let's talk about the difference between conditional execution, which is if, else, else, and match cases. Match cases are similar to conditional execution, but the difference is in conditional execution you can use a lot of conditions, say greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, greater than, lesser than, or not equal to. But here in match cases there is only one condition, which is comparison condition. Say in my last video, I created a simple calculator using if, else statement. In each of the statement, I used only one condition, which is equal to, which is also known as comparison operator, and this will be help for us. I'm going to create one more time a calculator, but here I'm going to use match cases. To create, let's create a variable name as num1. Once again, num1 equal to int input, enter the number, then create one more variable, say num2 equal to int, then open and close the brackets, input, enter the another number, say like this. Then create a user variable to select the user what he wanna to execute or do a perform operation. Enter your choice like this. Then inside it add sub multiply command divide close and set of and colon and space. It is optional for you. I'm using for decoration only. Okay, then to use the match cases, type match in lowercase, match, then variable name user, then you need to put colon after the end of match cases, then type case, then you need to say what you wanna value, what the value will be, say like add, then put colon, then say sum, okay, c equal to num1 plus num2, like this, num2, then print the sum of something, the c. Okay, save at it is for everything, say case to sub, put the colon at the end of case, then I need to declare a variable. So c equal to num1 minus num2, like this. Then create one, then print, okay, sorry, print print C, then case, say multiply, colon, then say C equal to num1 multiplied by num2, like this, then print C. And finally, say case, divide, and you need to put inside the double quotes, okay? Then say C equal to num1 divide by num2, like this, then print C. And we know that in conditional execution, else statement is used for when the all conditions are false, the else statement execute a block of codes. Here in switch cases, there is known as default. So we are using default as underscore. Okay, and the default is won't work because the keyword in Python default as underscore, then put code and then put colon, then type something, say print invalid operation, like this, then run your file. It may ask enter the number, say 34, then click, say enter another number, say 2, then it will ask enter your choice, add, subtract, multiplication or division, say add, then it will print. Okay, let's run again. I'm saying 34 again, 12, then say model, like this, and it will say invalid operation. Hope you understand. Share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.